Y'all, I gotta tell you something. Something that I told you to use. Hold a minute. Watch this video. Hey, y'all. Hey. On today. This video right here is long overdue, guys. Here recently, I've gotten a lot of questions about my skincare. And I do want to make an update because I did a skincare video a little while back. Not to be dramatic, but there have been some major changes to my skincare. One of the products that I use worked too darn well. If you go back a few videos, I let you know what I'm using to kind of correct some hyperpigmentation, tone myself out. You know, I wanted my face to match my neck, all those lovely things that it's doing now, right? But here's the thing. The two products that I was using from Tones by Coco, they're brightening moisturizer and the dark circle corrector. The dark circle under eye corrector is a gem. Absolutely love that product. Only issue I have with that product, it's expensive. It just is what it is, but it does well. The brightening moisturizer, this right here. Baby, when I tell you it works so good, you can go back and see the video. But see, as I was using it, I was like, hey, we tone, boo-boo. See, we tone. This, you have to determine what your goal is. I know, and I've seen ads where people are like, oh, I don't leave the house without taking it. I take this everywhere I go. I travel with it. There's not a day that goes by that I don't use this. It's very moisturizing, which it is. But here's the thing. I felt like it toned me so well in that 4 weeks. I said, well, my God, today, if I keep on using this, I'm gonna be invisible after a while. That's not the goal. No, not my goal. Let me be very clear. You do what you want to do with your face, okay? My face, for me, the whole goal was evening out. And that's not with just my face. That's everything. Like everything that I use is for even tone. Like even my like body wash, everything. It's just to even tone. I'm one of those people who I create melanin really well. Oh, what a flex, right? But like if I scar or whatever, I scar easily. All of that stuff, right? So I like to keep everything tone, and my face was the last thing that I was just like, you know what, let me just work on it. So at the end of 4 weeks, I was still working on the dark under my eyes. Yes, it's still deeper underneath my eyes and over top. You guys can see it's still deeper, but it's like a good deep. Let's just boom, bam. So what I decided to do was, I said, hey, let me find something A, that's more affordable, B, that I can use daily, that may not be as potent, okay? This stuff is great. It's vegan, wonderful, and it works. So I'm not telling you don't, but I am telling you this. Know where your point is. Basically, use it, get your canvas the way you want, and then use it as needed. There's still so much product in here. Now, what I do run through this right here, baby, this is my favorite face moisturizer of all time. And when I put this on my face, the Bruce Leroy glow is just like, oh. And then it has the retinol, the collagen, it has the things. It's a deep moisturizer and you can use this day and night. I run through these every day. I use this at night from Shea Moisture, the Even and Radiant Raw Honey Night Cream. This is for your skin tone. This is what I use at night, okay? Basically just maintenance. Really, this did its big one, but it did it so big to where I got nervous. I said, hold a minute. That ain't what this is over here, baby. I love my coffee ole. We were just trying to even it out. So I said, I got to find something else, baby. These folk ain't even gonna know me after a while. And then for under my eyes now, instead of the dark circle corrector, which guys, that stuff is great. This is what I've been using and I actually really, really like it. Vegan collagen eye serum, triple hyaluronic acid, 5 peptide complex, way less expensive. Okay, it makes my eyes feel really good. So every single day, this is in the morning, this is under my eyes, morning and night, every night. So that has been maintaining what the previous two products accomplished. Okay, I'll just show you now since and it's nice and cool. It depuffs, it works on dark circles. It really wakes up your eyes. It gives your eyes a burst of fun. And then you just, in an upward movement, rubbing that essence. That's what they call it. If this were nighttime, I would go in with the Shea. I've been all off up in now, okay? But it is not nighttime, so let me put this over here. Love this stuff. I ain't lying. I do on my neck, upward movement, back of my neck, all the things. Look at that. Look, boy. Y'all thought it was lying, didn't you? Y'all thought I was out here playing games. Look. I'm not playing with y'all. I'll get a little Vaseline. Most days, this is what I'm doing. But here's the thing. I ain't gonna lie. I miss doing my face up. I may do something like that for the day. I go out the house shining and glistening. I ain't lying. But I wanted to come on just to let you know those are the changes that, like, over time I've seen the effects. And that's why I didn't want to do this video so soon after I kind of shifted my skincare routine, because I wanted to make sure that the replacements, I wanted to make sure that they were able to maintain the work that I had put in with the other products. So this I just keep just in case, like if I scar or, you know, whatever, because this works. It is just very, it works. Okay, hear me what I say. Just make sure, because I'm telling you, listening to the reviews and stuff, it will make you think that you use it every single day, and maybe people do. I had to come up off of, that's it. We're supposed to stop when you get even. It was supposed to stop right there, but baby, that thing said, nah, we don't stop. We don't do that. Listen, I had to figure it out. So that is the update, guys. I hope this helped. Do with this information as you will. I'll link everything in the description box. There you have it. Sorry it took so long. I just wanted to make sure everything worked before I brought it to you yapping and running my mouth, right? I wanted to make sure everything works. So yeah.